Okay, hello everyone. Welcome. Okay, welcome again to our learning here at Toflot Sand University. Um, Today we are going to start learning practically. As we all know, on last mid semester, before the semester is end, it is just the first mid semester. We call it mid semester because it's the halfway of the semester. We learned about introduction to basic computer applications, where we learned about the introduction to computer, internet and emails, where we covered a lot of things theoretically. And now we are going to learn uh, practically, but we are going to use another way of practical orientation, uh, where we will be using video tutorials. And we will be doing this tutorial on all of the basic uh, things on the Microsoft Office applications, where we will start with Microsoft Office Word, Microsoft Office Excel, Publisher, Access, PowerPoint, Outlook, and any other Microsoft Office platforms. So without wasting time, we are going to start our lesson by studying the Microsoft Office application program. And here, we will be doing the Microsoft Office application, uh, starting with Microsoft Office Word. So guys, keep attention and enjoy the learning. And after learning, we will go back to our classroom to discuss. If you have any question there, you will be asking me and I will be answering those questions to our platform of Google Classroom. But now you have to listen very careful. So wherever you don't understand, don't hesitate uh, to mark some of the questions that you don't understand. Then you ask them there in the classroom. So this is Microsoft Office Word. As you can see, in Microsoft Office Word application, I will start by showing you how to open this Microsoft Office Word application. You just go here at the start button, as you can see, you click it here. Then if you click, then you type the word, because we are dealing with Microsoft Office Word, you just type the word world, this one here. And then you can see it will pop up this Microsoft Office application world. And then if you open, then it will bring you to this part here. So there are a lot of templates here, as you can see. This template, you can customize them and use to the work you have been given to do. But today, I will not be talking about these templates. I will start with this blank document. Why? Because I want to teach you the basics of this Microsoft Office application. So I click here, then I can open this Microsoft Office Word. And as you can see, the Microsoft Office Word application is now open. So the basic thing you need to understand before start using this Microsoft Office Word application is to understand what this view is, the whole view of this Microsoft Office Word application. Starting with this, where you can see this cursor is blinking here. This part here is where you will be typing. So this is what we call a page. Are we together? So this is a first page. If you go back down, you can scroll this. You can see this cursor here. If I put here, this is a scroll tab here. You scroll. If you scroll down and hit enter, you can go to another. You can go to another um, page. For example, I can go to another page by clicking this. Then If it jump to another page, then you are on another page. For example, here it is another page, it is counting here. This is page 2. I can go back to the first page, then you can see you are in page 1. So these are what you call pages. So after knowing the page, now I want you to understand about uh, this part at the part of the uh, okay, right? I just want you to see it clearly here. I will just bring it just down here. So yes, okay. Now this part of the uh, this part of in the above here of the Microsoft Office Word application. This you can see home, insert, design, page layout, reference, mailing, view, and view. These are what we call them tabs. So if you are being asked by the teacher or your tutor that go to the home tab, go to the home tab, then this is the home tab. Ideally, these people of Microsoft application or Microsoft company designed the Microsoft Office world um, basing on the home tab so that you can prepare any document of your type by looking only the home tab. But sometimes there are a few things that you will be need to add. That's why there is other tabs like insert here. If you want to add some tables like pictures, like whatever, you use this or comment or whatever. If you want to use some design, then there is a design tab here. But basically, we deal mostly with the home tab because we're going to prepare any document using this part. So I will start by telling you that after knowing these tabs, then in any tab, for example here, there will be some ribbons. This is what you call here are what you call ribbons. All of them here are ribbons. So in home tab here, we have a group of commands here. The first group is what you call clipboard. The second is font. Another is paragraph, style, and editing. You will be using all of these kind regarding on what you want to do exactly on your Word document. So, uh, starting with the first group of command here, we will be seeing this what you call paste, we have cut, we have copy, we have clipboard. I will be telling you the function of each one as we go on. In this group of command, we call them font. Then we have the font size, font style first. Then we have font size. We have enlarging, increasing the size or decreasing the size. Then we have this one that you can change the case of the letters. For example, font you can change it to um, uppercase letter or lowercase letter or tabular or sentence case, whatever. But you also can bold the words, you can italize them, and whatever you want to use. Superscript and subscript, if you want to use them, we can use this part here just to keep the color of the words and whatever. But also we have this paragraph commands in these three ribbons where we can have different kind of useful here. So let us start by typing. If you want to type anything on Microsoft Office Word, you have to navigate this area here. This is a cursor which is blinking. You can see something is blinking, coming and going, coming and going. This is where if you want to type, then the word will start appearing there. So this is what we call a cursor. So if I want to type anything, then I can type like this. Uh, welcome, welcome class to your learning, I can hit enter to go to another line. Welcome to our learning. And today we are learning MS Word, Microsoft Office Word. So keep in touch. Yeah, so I have typed these few words here, and I can deal with these words to explain what I have been saying here. For example, if I start with cat, if I click cat, then this word will disappear. So what is the function of the cat? The function of the cat is to remove the words from this original area where we have been typed, and then you can paste somewhere else. For example, if I click paste, then those words can appear in another area like this. But if I use the word copy, I have to select all of them, then copy. The copy differs from the cut because the copy, it doesn't remove the words from the original area. For example, I have copied this data, but I want to put them down here. I can just click paste, then the word appears there, but the copy, the word still appear at the first place and the second place. And the clipboard, if I click here in the clipboard here, the clipboard will always show what I have been copied or I have been, that's why you can see what is there in the clipboard. If I clear, then I go here and then I click paste, then the paste will be not active because I have cleared this clipboard. I think you get what the function of this. Another part I want you to cover to understand is this font here. The font will be dealing with font size. First one is font style, the style of the word, and I will be arguing with you to use Arial Black. It is a very good one. Or you can use, the most used part is Calibri. Or you can use Times New Roman. This kind of words differs based on the font style you use, but the font size covers on the increase of the word font size. You can keep any size you want. I think here you can see, for example, this is size 12, and by default, whenever you are given the work, try to keep using this one, the font size of 12. And I don't want all the word to be capitalized. Then you can use sentence case. Sentence case is a good thing about sentence case is that only the first word uh, will be, for example, here lowercase letter. And if I say sentence case, the first word will be capitalized. So that is a different. Another, you can bold those words. If you click bold or click again, then the bold will disappear. You can italize or you cannot italize. You can underline or you don't underline. You can strike through or don't strike through. You can keep by square or don't keep by square. Another thing you can use is by using this background in the word. You can remove it also, no color, by going to this part, or you can use the background on the whole page, on the part that you want to show something like this. Here you can go to the paragraph. So this is how we use this Microsoft Word. Thank you for listening. Not good, but thank you for listening. We'll see you again later.